Welcome in second session of the centrifugal pump. Myself Dr. Arun Tiwari, Head Mechanical Engineering, Institute of Engineering and Technology, Lucknow. In this session we discuss, in the first session we discuss in detail what is the, how the pump is classified, what is the function of a pump, different types of a pump, what are the components, what is the velocity diagram, how the different heads are calculated. Yes, different types of a head, manometric head, this static head, then different types of efficiency, manometric efficiency, mechanical efficiency, overall efficiency. After covering all the basic fundamental and concept, we are going in detail. So, ultimate what is the objective? Ultimate objective is the to deliver the discharge, ultimate or aim is the discharge, at outlet is the discharge, that is the difference between the turbine. If you see the difference between the turbine and pump, the turbine output is the mechanical power. On other hand, the centrifugal pump output is discharge, in form of the discharge, in form of the pressure energy. So, in the session 1, we are covering in the detail, yes, what are the different function of the centrifugal pump. Now, we are going to, yes, in this session we describe in the detail how to calculate minimum speed for the starting of a centrifugal pump. How to, yes, what is the minimum speed required to deliver the discharge, yes, minimum speed of the impeller. Okay. So, we see the how we calculate, what are the fundamental. Then what is the multi-stage? Multi-stage means when we are going for the ultimate in centrifugal pump, there the two mission are there, two objective are there, lifting, yes, very high number of multi-story buildings supplying the this discharge. So, incremental of a height, yes, head. Second is the in form of the discharge. So, on the basis of that we see the detail, parallel and series combination are there. Then specific speed, this one is the very important component of any turbine and pump. How to define the centrifugal specific speed of a centrifugal pump, then model testing, and at last we are discussing in detail what is the priming of a centrifugal pump. Yes, what is the priming and what is priming, why priming needed in case of the pump. So, first minimum speed, for the minimum starting speed, okay, for a centrifugal pump, how we calculate minimum is, yes, is what is the concept? The concept behind this, if pressure rise in the impeller, if pressure rise in the impeller is more or equal to manometric head, more and equal to means is no the centrifugal force in the first session, yes, when we are describing the function. So, by the centrifugal action, the kinetic energy conversion, yes, kinetic energy conversion or mechanical power into hydraulic energy, yes, how converted. So, due to the centrifugal action, due to the centrifugal force, yes, driving force is the centrifugal force. Okay. So, centrifugal forces, if you see the impeller, one is the, yes, if diagram is velocity, remember the velocity diagram, there the tip in and out, radius r1 and r2. Okay. So, outlet and inlet, if you see the this manometric head are, okay, this manometric head, for this, for the when we receive the deliver the water, when the condition this H, when this H mano, yes, greater than or equal, greater than and equal, okay, or less than, because when this value head of pressure rise in the impeller, when this value, yes, this value u2 square minus u1 or this, yes, this one is not the function, this one is the u2 square, this u2 square minus u1 square upon 2g, this value greater or equal to this H mano. What are the limiting condition? The limiting condition is, this is the limiting one, this one is the limiting one, H mano. So, this one is the limiting condition, means at this condition if you are any centrifugal pump, okay, fulfill this criteria, ultimate pump delivers water. So, how we calculate the minimum, yes, ultimate objective is that to calculate minimum speed. How to calculate the minimum speed? How to calculate the minimum speed? We know this condition, u2 square minus u1 square upon 2g equal to h minus. This one is the limiting. Again, what is the manometric? This efficiency, manometric efficiency. Remember, yes, this g h minus upon v. So, by this we can calculate what is the h minus. Yes, we calculate h minus. So, this become n manometric efficiency Vw2 u2 upon okay. So, what is the u2? This pi d2n upon 60 u1 pi d1n upon 60. Okay. Putting this all the value in this. Okay. If putting all the value, so this pi d2n upon 60 square minus pi d1n upon 60 square upon 2g equal to h minus n manometric efficiency u2 upon g. Putting all the place, if this is the u2 means pi d2n upon 60. This g cancelled out. If we solve, yes, and divide all the pi, yes, pi n upon, if divide pi upon 60, we get this value. We get this value and this value, yes, because this 2 times 120 manometric efficiency, whirl velocity at outlet, and this diameter outlet pi dt square minus d1. So, this speed is the minimum, this speed is the minimum speed of a centrifugal pump. This speed is the minimum speed required to deliver, yes, start delivering water. Yes. So, by this way we can calculate the minimum speed of a centrifugal pump. Next, the multi-stage. Okay. Multi-stage means 2 or more impellers, means when the stage, yes, stage means 2 or more impellers. 2 or more impellers. Yes. Why what is the need of the, yes, why the need of the, yes, incremental of the, we are going for the increase of the impeller, because there the 2 type of a objective are there to produce head. Our ultimate target is the to produce high head, ultimate this head, ultimate h is the high. Second case, to discharge large quantity of a liquid, large quantity, yes, Q discharge is the high. If head required, ultimate means we are connected in series, connection in the series, and if we required high discharge means connection in the parallel, Okay. So, the first concept is the, this one is the concept of the how the series. So, this one is the impeller. If you see the impeller, so this one is the shaft. Just see the shaft, yes, from suction pipe, the outlet of, okay, just this one is the number of impeller 1, this is the impeller 2, yes, connected in the series. How is series? Because the outlet of one become inlet of this. The outlet of one impeller became inlet of second. Okay. In the similar, the outlet of impeller 1 become the inlet of impeller 2. So, this type of a arrangement is known as the stage is connecting with the series. Such type of for such arrangement we get the very high head as required. So, second objective. So, fulfillment of the first one is the requirement of the head. Second is our requirement is the more discharge, delivering for the irrigating a land, the more discharge required in most of the application, in petroleum, in irrigating lands, in sewage treatment, more discharge. So, in parallel, for the parallel, if you see the sump is the common, okay. So, there are the two pumps and delivery, okay, the outlet of one, this become Q1, pump 1, the output become Q1, output of a pump 1 is the Q1, output of a pump 2 is the Q2, it connected in the, because Q1 is coming from pump 1, Q2 is coming delivery from the 2, if it is added. So, ultimately the total discharge Q become Q1 plus Q2, Q1 plus Q2 means all the time we are enhancing the discharge. Okay. If we are if our connection is the parallel means discharge large quantity of a liquid. So, this all about the multi-stage centrifugal pumps. Next is the very important specific speed of a centrifugal pump. Specific speed. How specific speed? Specific speed is represented by Ns. All the time we are describe in the detail specific speed. In case of the how specific speed defined, its geometrical similar to all, geometrical similar, they are the type of a similarity, geometrical similarity, combinatoric similarity, dynamic similarity. Specific means we are focusing geometrical similar machines which can produce 1 meter cube per second discharge under unit head, that is speed, in which speed it is producing, that speed is known as Ns, means a pump which can produce Q equal to 1 meter cube per second, 1 meter cube per second discharge under unit H equal to 1 meter. Yes, this speed N become N and S, that is known as specific, means specific speed is the geometrical similar turbine at speed at which the pump produce 1 meter cube per second discharge under 1 meter head, that speed is known as specific speed. It is clear? Then how to derive specific speed, because this one is a very fundamental. We know the discharge Q ultimate. Yes, in case of the pumps, in case of the turbine, there the two operating parameter are there. One is the Q, Q and H. These are the head and discharge, all the time head and discharge, Q and H. And what is the Q? Area of flow into velocity. If you see this component, area of flow means pi by 4, if you know d square, if circular pipe, or or we can say it is not circular, if we can say this Q equal to pi b1 d1 into velocity of flow, means Q is the function of this one is the dimension d square into velocity. into velocity. Q is the function of diameter square into velocity. So, this what about the velocity? Velocity is CV root 2 GH. Again velocity is the function of root h. Okay. So, ultimate what is the Q? Ultimate Q is the function, yes, d square root h. This one is the main, this is the function. Okay. And what is the u? If we see u equal to pi d n upon 60. Yes. So, this again pi d n upon 60. So, this proportional to, so this v is the proportional to root h, and this root again u equal to v, all velocity. So, this d n is proportional to root h all the time. D n is proportional, just see d n, yes, d n proportional velocity of flow root h. So, ultimate what is the q? If you see q is proportional, yes, d square, what is the d square means? If squaring the d square, what is the value of d square? D square become root h upon n square. So, this root h, this when I am placing h means this is the h mano. So, this h mano upon n square. So, this one is the d square upon this root h mano. Okay. So, this root h mano. So, ultimate, so this one is the, this, just see this discharge is the function of this. Discharge is the function of. So, if the discharge equal function of the, in putting this, okay, h. So, this proportional, if you see this h proportional, this one is the 3 by 2 upon n square. So, are equal to, so this discharge equal to k times h 3 by 2 upon n square. Remember. So, this one is the value of the, so k is the constant, of the proportionality. So, again using the conditions, using the definition of the specific speed, yes, we find the what is the value of k, So, in next slide we calculate. So, this already we calculated, yes, q equal to, and how we defined. So, this n become ns when n r speed become specific speed when q equal to 1 meter cube per second under at h equal to 1 meter. So, if q1, if this value q1, if h1 putting the 1, then what is the value of k? So, we get k become ns square, putting the value we get k, this value of the constant, because if k, just see this n become ns when q equal to 1 and h equal to 1. So, what is the putting 1, this 1 k, n become ns, n become specific speed. So, putting this k equal to ns square. So, in our equation this k become ns square. So, this ultimate what is the discharge? Q equal to ns square h m 3 by 2 upon what is this? Upon this ns square upon n square. And ultimate what is our objective? Our objective is to calculate specific speed ns, yes, ns square equal to n square q upon h 3 by 2. Then what is the ns? Ns become this n root q h 3 by 4, h 3 by 4 means the specific speed of a centrifugal pump ns equal to n root q upon H3 by 4. Yes, this is the specific speed. Just to remember, what is the specific speed of a turbine? Ns n root P upon H5 by 4. Yes, you remember? This one is the specific speed of a turbine, any turbine specific speed. Because in case of the turbine, what is the output? Power. In case of the pump, what is the output? Discharge. We can also derive this, because what is the power? What is the power? Power is gamma QH. This P is gamma QH. We can put n root just QH. Gamma is constant. Gamma is rho into G. Rho into G is specific. Rho into G. N, what is the P? P is the Q into H again upon H5 by 4. So, this H root 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So, this again become n root Q H3 by 4. So, similar we can also obtain specific speed of centrifugal pump. Next one is the model testing. Yes, model testing. Model testing means what the any turbine before the in the real application first we modeled. Yes, model means just it is replica of a prototype. That is the working. Prototype means a turbine which one working in the side, this is the and replica of that prototype, this become a model. Yes, first we designed, then modeled, then testing for the labs, then we go for the in real sites. So, what is the model testing? For the model testing, yes, before manufacturing the large size pump, prototype are need to be the met. Okay. Complete similarity between model and actual exists. What are the condition? The condition of the model, all the values means like first one, the specific speed of a model must be equal to specific speed of a prototype. The first. Second, the head, the head, what is the head? This H, always remember before this we calculate H is the proportional is the into dn. Yes, H is the proportional to dn or root H upon dn for model must be equal to for the prototype. So, first is the specific speed is the equal model, m means model, okay. Second by this, yes, for the model and prototype. Then what is the q? Q equal to area, the function is d square into velocity, yes, d square into root h, yes. And what about d square? Just see the d square, okay, d square root h upon n, okay, d square root h upon, yes, root h upon, yes, just need root h, d root h upon n square and root h. So, that is why what is this h upon n square. So, h, so this become, yes. So, by this we can calculate discharge is the function of this. Discharge is the function of discharge q upon d cube n model equal to q d cube n prototype. What about the power? Power is the function of q into h, and this q is the d cube n and h is the, what is the h? D square n square, means this become d5 n cube. So, that is why p upon d5 n cube, p upon d5. So, all these are the similarity testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is the priming. What is the priming? It the process in the case of the suction pipe, we know the pressure is the below the atmospheric pressure. Okay. For the strong suction, okay, for the strong suction, if anywhere in the suction pipe, if there is the air pockets are there, it diffuse the suction, it diffuse the strong suction. So, for that, yes, for the removal of a air pocket from the suction pipe, we made priming. So, it is the process of filling the suction pipe. We fill, yes, by liquid in the suction pipe, yes, in casing and delivery pipe up to delivery valve with water. Mean ultimate, what is the target? We, okay, air removal of air, ultimate what is the target? We remove the air from a suction pipe, otherwise there the ultimate what is the objective? Our objective is the to get the discharge. Strong, if air pocket anywhere at any place in between the from, yes, outlet, yes, for the inlet of the pump, for, okay, for the sum to the pump, if anywhere any places, if there is the some air pockets are there, so it diffuse our lifting. So, ultimate if there is no lifting, no delivery takes place. Okay. So, if you see the priming is the two types, one is the positive priming, yes, another is the negative priming. So, these are the some examples for the centrifugal pump, this was the priming port, this one is for, yes, these are the few example of the priming. So, in this case just we cover what is the minimum starting speed. Second, what is the specific, how we define the specific speed, how we derive the specific speed. Third, what are the model testing. So, different models, yes, model on the basis of head coefficient, model on the basis of discharge coefficient, model on the basis of power coefficient, and all the derived, yes, equations for model is equal to for prototype. So, for all the condition specific speed model equal to specific speed prototype. Second is the for the discharge root h upon dn, yes, for model equal to root h upon dr prototype. Third is the discharge q upon, yes, nd cube for the model equal to prototype. Last one power coefficient p upon d5 n cube for model must be equal to prototype. Thank you.